Hi everyone! We all have those days when we wish for a sandwich with mint chutney, but there are those days as well when we don't have the time to make mint chutney, especially on one of those hurried and busy mornings. Today I'm going to show you a clever shortcut for creating a delicious vegetable sandwich that captures that wonderful minty, tangy flavor without the need for mint chutney. This sandwich goes perfectly with a cup of tea or coffee. It's simply nostalgic. I'm sure that once you try making the sandwich, you'll find yourself wanting to recreate it again and again. So let's get started by preparing some vegetables. Here I have taken a cucumber, and the first step is to peel the skin and carefully remove the seeds. It's essential to remove the seeds to prevent the sandwich from becoming soggy. After removing the seeds, I'm going to slice the cucumber into strips and then finally chop it into small pieces. The cucumbers are finely chopped and ready. Keep it aside in a bowl. Next, I'm going to take a ripe tomato. Cut the tomato in such a way that we can easily remove the seeds. As we did for the cucumbers, we are going to discard the seeds in order to avoid the sandwich from becoming mushy and soggy. I'm going to cut the tomato into thin strips and then finally chop the tomato into small pieces. The tomato is finely chopped and ready. Keep it aside in a bowl with the chopped cucumbers. Next, I'm going to take a yellow capsicum or bell pepper. You can use green capsicums as well. I'm using the yellow one as it adds a lovely color to the filling. Cut the capsicums into strips and then finely chop it and keep it aside in a bowl along with the cucumbers and tomatoes. Now to introduce a bit of heat, I'm adding 1 green chili. I'm going to de-seed the green chili. This will cut the spiciness yet bring a subtle warmth to the sandwich. Once the green chili is de-seeded, I'm going to cut it into thin strips and then finely chop it. Keep it aside along with the chopped vegetables. Next, I'm going to add some leafy greens. I have a bunch of coriander leaves here along with the soft stems. Finely chop the coriander leaves and set aside. Here I have a handful of mint leaves. Finely chop the mint leaves. Both the coriander leaves and the mint leaves will be the key ingredients that enrich the sandwich filling with a burst of flavor and acts as a perfect alternative to the mint chutney. All the vegetables and the leafy greens have been finely chopped and are now ready. Look at all the colors. The vibrant burst of colors is in itself so appetizing. To add an additional crunch to the filling, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of pomegranate seeds. This is optional, but I do recommend that you add a few pomegranate seeds to the filling. Not only does it give a lovely flavor, but a sudden burst of juicy sweetness in the middle of the fillings enriches the taste of every bite. Next, I'm going to take 1 lemon, squeeze it to extract the juice and incorporate it into the filling. Here I have some red chili flakes. Add a pinch or 2 to the filling. Next, I'm going to add around half teaspoon of chaat masala powder and add to the filling. It's time to add salt according to taste. Add salt sparingly as we are going to add some ketchup also to the filling. Mix everything very well. Finally, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Mix everything very well so that all the ingredients are well combined with each other. So now our sandwich filling is all ready. Check if you need to add more salt or chaat masala and adjust the taste accordingly. Let's move on to assembling the sandwich together. I have taken 4 slices of brown bread. You can use white bread if that's your preference. To the bread, apply a generous amount of mayonnaise. Spread evenly on the bread slices. Applying mayonnaise allows the filling to stick to the bread slices and also enhances the flavor of the sandwich. You can use cream cheese spread as well as a substitute to the mayonnaise. Once the mayonnaise is applied, add the sandwich filling. Place a generous portion of the filling, ensuring even distribution to cover the entire surface of the bread. Finally, to finish the filling, I'm going to add some grated cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar cheese as well, or even a slice of cheese. To complete the filling, lightly sprinkle some red chili flakes and a dash of chaat masala powder. Then place the other slice of bread on top and gently press it down. We have finished assembling the sandwich. The filling looks both stunning and irresistibly appetizing. Finally, let's toast the sandwich. Take a pan and keep the flame on low. No sandwich is complete without some butter. I'm using salted butter here. You can use unsalted butter as well. Keep in mind to keep the flame on low or a medium low. Slowly toasting the bread ensures you get a lovely, crispy and evenly toasted bread. Place your assembled sandwiches on the pan and allow the bread to get toasted and crispy on both sides. Give a gentle press so that the cheese melts and sticks to the filling and the bread slices. Gently flip the sandwich to the other side. The bread is beautifully toasted on one side. It's time to flip the sandwich again. The bread slices are evenly toasted on both sides now. Give it a minute or 2 on the pan. Gently remove the sandwiches from the pan. Place the toasted sandwich on a cutting board. I want you to hear something. The sound of a beautifully toasted and crispy bread is music to the ears. Carefully cut the sandwich into 2 halves. The filling looks exceptionally delicious in between the bread slices. It's time to plate the sandwich. This sandwich is incredibly easy to put together. There is nothing complicated about this recipe. This sandwich pairs perfectly with a morning cup of tea, making it an ideal breakfast choice. You can also put this together in no time for your child's tiffin. A lifesaver on those days when you want something to take away as you leave for work. Or it serves as an excellent snack option any time of the day. This simple vegetable sandwich is a lifesaver when you want something healthy put together in less time. The simplest recipes bring the most joy, whether it's for breakfast, a snack, or anything in between. I hope you enjoy making this and sharing it with your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for many more easy and tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye for now.